Presenting the new Isuzu N-Series trucks. With the new Isuzu N-Series, the tried and tested name reaches a new level of business reliability. More powerful, larger cargo capacity, more passenger room, multi-purpose, eco-friendly, bigger and better. The new Isuzu N-Series trucks. Durable, reliable, fuel efficient. The new Isuzu N-Series trucks. Anticipative exteriors. Greater visibility. Large. Bonded. Color-keyed 6-hole radiator grille. 90-degree door opening. Anti-slip aluminum step for extra safety. The new Isuzu N-Series trucks, built with a customer in mind. Multifunctional instrument panel. Assist grips. The new Isuzu N-Series trucks. Euro 2 compliant. The new Isuzu N-Series trucks. More powerful, bigger and better. More passenger room. Eco-friendly. Larger cargo capacity. Your durable, reliable success partner.